Hello everyone, welcome back to another video of V.I Tech Academy YouTube channel. My name is Ratul and I'm your host for today's video. Guys, we all want to record high quality like a studio is doing. But unfortunately, sometimes we are not able to access studios, or we do not have any high quality microphones or high configured systems. But today I'm going to introduce an amazing and incredible application with the help of which you can record instruments, voice and other things with high quality, as well as all the required professional effects will be applied. Effects in the sense of, I'm not talking about echo, I'm not talking about reverb, but all the effects such as noise reduction, filtering, everything will be applied. Please note, this is not an AI featured application, but yes, this application is very good in terms of general use. So from today onwards, you can also record like a studio by using just your mobile phone. Let's discuss about the application. The application name is Dolby On. It's completely free and you can download it from Play Store. I'm not sure whether it's available for iOS or not. You can check in the App Store. So guys, let me open the application.
Dolby On.
So first time when you open the application, it will ask you to allow the permissions, notifications, so and so things. After that, it will say that use headphones for playing the Dolby atmosphere, Dolby effects, so and so things. If you want, you can try, but believe me, it's really wonderful. So let's see. Now I'm just swiping from left to right.
Mic details.
Mic details.
Duration. 0 second. Library. Button.
Library.
Settings. Button.
Settings is there.
Stop recording. Button.
Stop
Windows start recording.
Obviously, this is the screen recorder's stop recording. So let me open
Settings. Button.
Settings. And
Dolby
see.
On demo. Watch it now. Button.
Dolby On demo video.
Watch it. Recording tips. Check out our blog for tips.
Okay,
tricks.
recording tips.
Subscribe. Be first to hear. Spread the word.
So these are the
Share
options.
Dolby.
Nothing is there.
Read in Google. Suggest a feature.
So I'm just going back.
Mic details. Record a track.
So above mic details, record a track is there. Now you can record audio, you can record video also. So video we're not going to talk about because we're not interested to record videos, but definitely we are interested to record audios. So it will automatically take the microphone, mic details and all.
Mic details.
I'm just pressing double tap here.
Back.
Let's see.
Xiaomi 2406
See, this is my
enhanced
mobile
with Dolby sound.
Enhanced
Learn
with
more.
Dolby sound.
Level check.
So you can do the level check. I'm not doing because I'm already using microphone. My microphone is already used by other applications.
Mic levels automatically optimized for the best sound.
Okay.
Your mic is overloading. Try moving it away from you.
Yes, definitely my mic is overloading because I am talking synthesizer. I mean TTS is talking, and it is my phone speaker is very near to the phone microphone, right?
Recording tips.
Okay, so I'm just going down.
Record a track. Record a track.
Now let's see how we can record a track. So just double tap here.
Choose an action on
And
top. Record audio.
Record audio. Once you click on record audio, the recording will be started, and in the screen you will find the record button. So I'm just double tapping here.
Recording is started. Dolby On.
Welcome to V.I Tech Academy. If you like this video or if you find this content useful, please press the like button and share this video with your friends. Thank you for watching. So just I'm swiping from left to right.
Duration. Stop. 4 minutes. Duration. Stop recording.
I'm just double tapping here.
Disabled. Recording is stopped.
Recording is
Mic
stopped.
details. Track. Library. Setting. Record a track. Stop recording. 4 minutes. Mic detail. Track
Now
title.
see, track title.
2 duration. 0 minutes 30 seconds.
Track 2. This is what we have just recorded. Now just I'm double tapping here.
Track. Record. On. Rotate device to go for play.
Now see, here I am finding the play button.
Play.
So I'm just double tapping here and see.
Recording is
listen.
started. Dolby On.
Welcome to V.I Tech Academy. If you like this video or if you find this content useful, please press the like button and share this video with your friends. So now you understood that how we can record using Dolby On. Next is
46% tools.
tools is there. So here you can get some audio editing options, though it's not always accessible in the sense of completely accessible for us.
Share button.
Share. So here you can, if you want to share this audio, you can share with others. So
Add to favorites.
add
button.
to favorites.
More button.
Then more options is there. There you will find rename, delete, etc. option. So this is how you can easily record your audio tracks, and you cannot find directly. So if you want to save this as an audio file, so what you do,
Add to favorite. Share but add to more. Stop more. Add to share. Tools.
let's see, click on tools.
Done. Play. Done.
See.
Cancel. Done. Play. 40. Stop. Noise. Style.
See, some
Column
style
1.
is there, some other style you can choose.
Noise.
Noise
Column 2.
is there.
Tone. Column 3.
Tone is there.
Boost. Row 2.
Boost.
Trim. Column
Trim.
2.
So some audio editing options are there. So if you want, you can
Stop
try.
recording.
Okay.
Back. But. Play. 42. Share. Add. Share. Button.
Click on share.
Post. Instagram. Facebook.
See,
Dolby
these are
On.
the options
Share
there.
audio. Save audio.
Yes, save audio. When you press here, I mean double tap here, it will ask you to choose folder where you want to save the audio file. Then audio will be exported and it will be saved. Remember, I think this application will work only when you are connected to the internet, especially the Dolby effect, because it is recorded within the Dolby server. Then it is processed or something. I have not tried using it offline. This is my
Dolby On.
guess. Okay, so you could try this, but other than that, this is a fantastic application for me actually, because sometimes I'm experimenting with some things, so that's why I think you also like the application. If you like the application and find the content useful, oh, I already said na. Okay, sorry. Okay, then if you want to get more videos like this, subscribe to this channel and don't forget to press the bell icon, choose all notifications so you will never miss any upload. Let me know your thoughts into the comment section and any specific applications you want to be reviewed on our official YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video, guys. See you in the next tutorial. Till then, bye.